Welcome to While You Were Pooping. Today, we're shedding light on a surprisingly complex and uniquely human behavior. Crying. Tears aren't just a sign of sadness. They serve multiple purposes, from keeping our eyes healthy to expressing deep emotions. But why do humans cry? And what makes emotional tears different from other types? Let's break it down.
While you were pooping, yeah. While you were pooping, while you were pooping, yeah. While you were pooping.
There are actually three types of tears: basal, reflex, and emotional. Basal tears are always present in our eyes, keeping them lubricated and free from dust. Reflex tears are the ones we produce when something irritates our eyes, like chopping onions or getting hit with a gust of wind. But then, there are emotional tears, which are uniquely tied to feelings like sadness, joy, frustration, or even overwhelming beauty. Scientists believe emotional tears play a role in human connection and communication. Unlike other animals, humans use crying as a social signal, helping to express vulnerability and elicit support from others. Studies have shown that emotional tears contain additional proteins and hormones, such as oxytocin and endorphins, which may help regulate stress and promote a calming effect. But why does crying feel good sometimes? When we cry due to strong emotions, our bodies release stress hormones, and shedding tears can actually help restore balance. This explains why people can often feel a sense of relief or catharsis after a good cry. Interestingly, cultural and social factors influence how and when people cry. Studies suggest that women tend to cry more frequently than men, which may be due to both biological differences, such as hormone levels, and societal expectations about emotional expression. So, the next time you find yourself tearing up, whether from laughter, sadness, or just watching a touching movie, remember that crying is more than just an emotional reaction. It's a complex physiological process that helps keep our eyes healthy, relieves stress, and strengthens our social bonds. That's all for today's episode. Join us during your next poo when we drop another nugget or two for your enjoyment. And when your friends ask, "How do you know that?" just let them know you learned it while you were pooping.
Yeah. While you were pooping, while you were pooping.